Alright, this is Miles from 600miles.com. I'm doing a video on a teardown from a customer who sent me this master cylinder. He said he bought my kit, he installed it all, and he couldn't get it to work. So he sent it to me. He said he couldn't get the back to bleed out, and he thought maybe the check valves, but I'm not sure about that. So I want to do a teardown and see what's going on in here. Actually, what I should do first is bench test it. So let me go do that real quick, and then we'll see if it does what it's supposed to be doing. If not, I'm still going to take it apart. And it seems to be fine. But since it's here, I want to do a teardown on it anyway. I use a hydraulic press, and I press it in there vertically, and then use the 21 to unscrew these two, and then a crescent wrench to unscrew these two that go here. So that's I don't use the bench vise because I don't want to tear up the body. You'd leave big scratch marks in the main casing of the master cylinder when you do that. So I'm actually going to take it all the way apart, including taking out the bleeders. I'm thinking it's probably not been sleeved, and if it doesn't clean up when I hone it, it's going to have to get sleeved. Yeah, not been sleeved. Alright, so you get the back ones out. You need to take the 210s out. It's holding the back ones in. I'm going to show you, this is a Honda wrench. If you went to Brian Baker's Honda car meet back in the 90s, one of the people from Japan, I think it was Kimio, brought these wrenches. He gave them to everybody at the Honda sports car meet in New York. Alright, can't find my wood block, so I'll go the other direction. Alright, well, he's got the seals installed correctly. This one looks kind of bloated. Before I do that, let's take these out and see where they are. Okay, there should be a steel washer. There it is. And then the check valve. Check valve doesn't look old. I'll probably put new ones in anyway. And this one here has a rubber seat in it. Here it is. So that one's good. Check valve. I look at them under the magnifier, but they look pretty good. I don't think they're very old. Alright, I'm going to hone it and see what's in it. Hopefully it's not full of pits. It's a 13/16. Usually I hone these out with oil of some sort, but since I got the water right here, just cut the time and hone it out with the water. And I use extra fine honing stones. it's got a lot of pits in it. That wouldn't keep them from bleeding it out. Alright, can we see in there? You can see the black spots. Oh, there it is. So the black spots are pits. This is why you want to get them sleeved. And when you get them sleeved, this is one that's been sleeved in brass. Yeah, this is the only thing I can see wrong with this. Alright, where's my flashlight? There it is. It's got some rust. It's got rust around the piston, so it could be the seal is not seating. So I'm going to take that piston, I'm going to wire brush it on the wire wheel, and then put a new seal on it, and then see how it goes.